Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning, hope you're well. Behind me we've got an Isuzu D-Max, and if one car doesn't need any more introductions, it's a manufacturer called Isuzu. We tune a lot of these vehicles here, and let me tell you, I've got a few in the background that you can check out and see how we tune them and the results. And the gains in torque from a custom dyno tune are really good. Check it out. Well, there you go guys, that's just a handful of the Isuzus that we tune here at Ultimate Diesel Tuning. The D-Max, the MU-X, the MPR. If you've got one of these and you want to improve the performance of those, give us a call at Ultimate Diesel Tuning.